Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful, latest, stylish, elegant, and most beautiful party wear little kids girls baby frocks dress. New and latest ideas with flower uh, and decorative elements like different styles and design. So I hope you like it my video. Creating project baby frocks in green and white is a charming idea, offering a fresh and delicate color combination. So I hope you like it my video. Look for crochet patterns specially designed for baby frocks that incorporate both green and white. You can search for pattern online on crafting platform or in crochet books and magazines. Choose and choose soft yarn in shades of green and white. Obviously, for yarn suitable for baby garments such as cotton or uh, acrylic, and ensure you have the please see this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern, and share this video, like my video, and subscribe my channel.